to hook up the ground wire from the house. So what we're going to do is we're going to run another ground wire so that you will have a ground wire so we can show you what it is. The green wires are our ground wires. They're connected to the ground. We've now run a new ground wire. And so you basically put your two wires together as close as you can, put the wire nut over them, and then screw it down, holding both wires at the same time, and then screw that wire nut pretty tight. Okay, that's on. Now we have a ground wire. Okay, now we're going to push all of our wires into our housing. So, and look at it and make sure nothing is chafing. Everything looks good. And then we can take our cover and place it and twist it a little bit so that it will stay there temporarily. And now we have hung our ceiling fan and hooked up the wires. Now we're going to tighten up on the covering, and then we will be ready to install the light kit.